Hi, this is Ed Huffner with Genie Smart Systems. A lot of people out there have been questioning the actual energy savings of the Appliance Buster 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook it up to a Maytag wash machine. Okay? What I've got is a cord coming up here, and we're going into a Amwatt appliance load tester. Okay? Right now it's reading 0. I got it plugged in. I'm going to pull the knob on the wash machine, and you should be able to hear it. Okay. Right now we're pulling 6.5. We're going to let it get up to full speed on the spin cycle. Now, this is a real test, folks. This is not simulated. This is a wash machine. Okay? Okay, right now we're up to full speed. It's 5.8. 5.8, 5.9. Okay, I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to hook the Appliance Buster 5 up here. Oops. Okay, right now we have the wash machine coming into the Appliance Buster 5, as you can see. They got the input going into the Amwatt, okay, load tester. And we're going to pull the knob. Okay. Now right from the get-go, we're pulling 5.0. Coming down. Let it get up to full speed. Still compensating. So we're running about 3.0, and the timer just shut off. So as you can clearly see, there is definitely a savings. Before it was 6.0, with the Appliance Buster 5, 3.0. Now, the thing about it is that people don't understand is I can actually plug in another appliance on this outlet or anywhere in the house, and I will save energy on that device without plugging it into the output of the Appliance Buster 5, which makes it truly amazing. Because what you can do with this, if you had two of these, you can put one on, because you have a split phase in your house, you can put one on one phase of your 240, right, which is 120 volts, and put another Appliance Buster on the other phase of 120. Okay? Now, the difference between the Appliance Buster 5 and the gap unit is the gap unit takes care of both phases and the 240 phase. So regardless of what you have going on in your house, whether or not it would be HVAC, clothes dryer, wash machine, whatever appliance is in your house, whether or not it doesn't matter if it's 120 or 240, the gap unit will cover your whole house. Okay? Or you can choose to do it this way, stage it in, buy one Appliance Buster 5 and then buy another Appliance Buster 5 later on. And that's it, folks. So if you're interested, contact me at jssllc@drivehq.com. Thank you, and have a nice day.